this moment, let us witness the turnover of the responsibility from the great leaders, the incumbent president of the Supreme Student Council and the incoming president of the Federation of the Supreme Student Council to deliver his turnover speech. Here is Mr. Christian J. Gigi Fortuncula, the incumbent president of the Supreme Student Council.
A pleasant morning to all our guests, our college president, Dr. Jameson H. Tan, Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Cecilia S. Santiago, our Director for Student Affairs and Services, Dr. Jennifer P. Adriano, Head of the Student Development Programs Unit, Mr. Ian Charles R. Blas, to our guest of honor for this event, Honorable J. C. Domingo, to all the faculty advisors of the different organizations, and of course to my fellow students. I have been part of the Supreme Student Council of our dear institution for 3 academic years. I started as the Deputy Speaker of the Student Congress when I was in first year college. After that, I was elected as the Vice President of the Executive Council for the academic year 2019-2020. Then later on, I became the interim president for the academic year 2020-2021. At the end of my term, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to those who believed, trusted, and those who become part of my tenure as the student trustee and the president of the Supreme Student Council. To our college officials, headed by the college president, Dr. Jameson H. Tan, thank you for your tireless support and trust in the council and in our goal to accomplish what is best for the students. I would also like to thank our dear advisors, Engineer Cherry May C. Cuevas and Mr. John Arden F. Octaviano, for their commendable efforts and competence in guiding the council throughout our term. Of course, my sincere appreciation to my co-SSC officers, Stephanie Lazaro, Hazel Mampin, Sarah Angela Lacaba, Jenilyn Rada, Adriana Nina Vergara, R.G. Bunalade, Alexis Maronimo, Jomar Rosario, Joanna Timbang, Shanford Valdesoto, to our former SSC President, Christian Capulo, to the Student Congress headed by the Speaker of the House, Jefferson Talusan, to all the Institute Student Councils headed by the respective governors, to the different student organizations, and to all the class mayors. Thank you so much for the efforts, dedication, cooperation, and sacrifices. You have been my companion in the invaluable and unforgettable experience of serving our fellow students despite the current pandemic. To the entire Massey studentry, it is truly my honor to have a fulfilling experience and opportunity of being able to serve you with my leadership capabilities. To my family and friends, thank you so much for love and support. Most of all, I am very thankful to our Almighty God for His guidance and direction in everything I do and face. Our service to our fellow students has been truly meaningful and successful. Despite the shortcomings, we have built unity, and we continue to face all challenges and difficulties of the present times. To our successors, may you continue to listen to your constituents in order to have an effective leadership, and always remember the welfare and uphold the rights of our fellow students. Just like what I'm always saying, laging tandaan na sa kabila ng mga hamon ng buhay, lahat ay makakaya basta tayo ay sama-sama. So I, Christian J. Porciuncula, SSC President of Academic Year 2020-2021, by the virtue of the power vested upon me, hereby turn over the flag that symbolizes the responsibility of the newly constituted Federation of Supreme Student Council. To the new sets of officers, you'll play a vital role for the future of Bulacan Agricultural State College. Let us all hope and strive for a good governance and excellent leadership for the students. Gear up FSSC, mabuhay BASC, mabuhay ang Basiyan. Maraming salamat po.
To accept the flag of responsibility, here is Mr. Arjun T. Bunalado, the incoming President of the Federation of Supreme Student Council.